Here at Green Spring Gardens, we have a mission to connect the community to our natural and cultural resources through horticulture, education, and stewardship. Part of that mission helps us operate the Garden Gate Plant Shop, which is what you see here behind me. And we sell a vast array of perennials, annuals, everything that will grow well here in the climate and with the weather in Fairfax County. Here at the Garden Gate Plant Shop, like the rest of life, everything is a little different these days. We've had to rethink how we're going to sell plants. Part of the new opportunities that we have is a phone order and curbside pickup. So on our webpage, you can find the plant availability list as well as photos of the different plants that we have to offer. You can give us a call. We're open to plant shop orders 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and then noon to 4 p.m. on Sundays. Pickup for those phone orders happens on Wednesdays and Fridays. We have a morning pickup option that's 10:30 to 12:30, as well as an afternoon option from 2 to 3:30 on both Wednesday and Fridays for folks to come and pick up their plants curbside, all contactless. Folks wanting to know more about the plant shop services as well as Green Spring Gardens, we encourage them to visit our website. There you'll find information about visiting the gardens as well as everything that the Garden Gate Plant Shop has to offer.